here's a body style that's becoming more and more popular. Just in at Unique Specialty and Classics, it's a 1997 Chevrolet C1500 extended cab fleet side pickup with a third door. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles. 5.7 liter Vortec, V8 underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front grille and bumper bright work on this. As you can see, also in nice shape. Bug shield installed. Dark carmine red with custom gray cloth interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, folks. It's a clean truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on new Vision wheels, radial tires, and again, those are new. I will get into some more things that have been done to this truck recently. It's turnkey. Get in it, turn the key, go. Take a look around the wheel wells. You can see there's not a bunch of corrosion starting to pop through like lots of times you do see on the Midwestern and Northern trucks. And then take a look at how straight these panels are. But again, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Clean Carfax. Look at how straight those body panels are. Dark carmine paint looking good. Soft tonneau cover. Access brand. Love this color truck. All right, interior wise, we're going to get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer. But look at the condition of these seats from what you can see on this passenger side. Same thing with the carpeting and flooring on this truck. Dash. Very, very nice interior. Sorry about the noise in the background. We have our detail department over there getting after it, getting some more cars through so we can get them pictured up and videoed and online. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, tow package. There is a picture of the window sticker in with the still pictures on this truck, the ones you can see at UniqueClassicCars.com. You're also going to be able to see in the box there is a rubber liner in there, I should say more of a plastic or composite liner. Take a look at the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, as far as service work, some recent things that have been done to this truck. AC just gone through, and it does blow cold. It'll freeze you out. This is also a non-smoker vehicle I wanted to mention too, because that interior is immaculate. I'll show you that here in a second. New alternator and battery. New stereo system also installed, Alpine, I believe it was, to the tune of $2,500 with components in the install, and it sounds good. Let's put it that way. It does have new Moog front end parts. Also brakes, front and rear, shock struts, front and rear. So like I said, this truck's turnkey. Get in it, turn the key and go. Take a look again around these wheel wells, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures too. It's the same driver and passenger side. Lower rockers. I forgot to show you that passenger rear wheel well, but I'm going to in a second. Again, you can see the reflection in that paint, how well that dark carmine paint looks. Now, there are a few touch-up spots. You get right up on top of them, but they're touched up and it's painted to match. I can't find hardly any of them back now, but there's a few little ones. You can see that, can't even really see it. But there's a few little small spots where there's touch-ups. Wow, look at the reflection off that paint. I do want to show you that third door too. And I'll go through a few of the options on this real quick too that it was ordered with. Again, there's that passenger rear wheel well. See how solid that is. Great looking rim on this truck. Look at the carpeting. No, these floor mats aren't hiding anything. Look at that. I mentioned third door. Of course, this seat will fold in the rear for storage, but look at the condition. But under this floor mat, I don't think anybody's hardly ridden in the back of this thing. So look in the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see the carpeting. '97 Silverado C1500. Now that Silverado package, that would get you the dual electric mirrors, AM FM cassette, which has been replaced with a beautiful Alpine stereo system in this. That chrome rear bumper, power windows and power locks, tilt column, cruise control. All right, look at these door panels. Lots of times you start to get wear, cracking, discoloring in the top of the armrest. No, lots of times you get staining. Here, absolutely not. Unbelievable. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, it's a, what, 60/40, I believe these were considered split bench seat. Just look at lack of any sort of wear in that seating surfaces. Odometer, actual miles, 135, 329. You'd never guess it by looking at it or driving it. Check out the driving video at the very end of this video. You're going to see how this thing goes down the road. But first, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a little peek underneath the hood at that 5.7 liter Vortec V8. All right, stereo system. Again, you've heard me bring it up a couple times. Great sounding, again, to the tune of approximately $2,500 components and install. No surprises on the interior, that's for sure. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Sounds like a stock, brand new 1997 Silverado, you ask me. Let's go check out this engine bay. I have a feeling it's going to be as clean as the rest of the truck. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's get the hood open. Here we go, hood popped. Hood liner, nice shape. And then look at this. Just what I thought, really lack of any corrosion. Nice and clean and tidy. AC Delco battery. Man, looking for a nice solid truck. There's no surprises on this one. It won't disappoint. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 1997 C1500 Silverado, extended cab, flare side with, fleet side with the third door. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1997 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck with an extended cab. Well, the odometer shows this is over 100,000 miles, but it doesn't feel like it, nor does it look like it. Everything's in very good condition. The seat is also not showing wear. Well-maintained pickup truck. All our gauges are working. Oil pressure is about 55 to 60. Temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. Battery's charging just about 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is working, showing over half a tank. We have a tachometer that is functioning and speedometer. Nice smooth ride. Nice quiet truck, sounds fairly stock to me. Alpine stereo in the dash. Multi-position power seat on this truck. So you can get it comfortable in any position. One of my favorite functional styles of Chevy truck. You can see really well, super easy to drive, handles good, not too big. This one's in really good shape. Power brakes are working very well. Corners nicely, as it should. Good acceleration, and that transmission is kicking down nicely, that automatic transmission. Shifting right here on the column, very easy to drive. Cruise control is functioning. This truck is ready to go. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.